So when you have multiple layers in the photo editor inside of ILoveIMG, you can simply go ahead and merge them out easily. So to do that in ILoveIMG, let me just go to the photo editor and I'm going to go ahead and select out, let's say for example, this image right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some layer elements. For example, I'm going to go ahead and add in this shape right here. Press apply and let's just go around over here and then go around onto its settings, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a background for it right here, just like this, and apply this out. And then let's say for example, go for the color as well and select out a color right here and apply and close this out. Apart from that, let me just go ahead and add in a text. So I'm just going to go around over here and say something like TutorTube right here. And I'm going to select out all and select this out. And then I'm going to go ahead and select out a color for it as well, and this is what you have. You can go ahead and resize and place it wherever you want. So these are individual layers, as you can see right here. These are separate and you can go ahead and move them out. But if you want them to be a part of the same design right here, then what you can simply do is you can go to layers right here and you can see that these are the layers. So you can go around over here, as you can see, and then you can simply go ahead and then merge them out. So over here, these are the main image and shape and object, as you can see right here. And to merge it, you can simply go back to the main menu by clicking on close and then by clicking on merge over here. And now every object is merged out. So now they are pixelated as well and they become part of the same image. But you cannot further edit this out. So you need to be absolutely sure that you want to merge it out and keep it in place. So when you have a lot of layers and it's hard to manage, you can go ahead and merge it out right here in the picture, just like this. And as you click on save, of course, you can go ahead right here and see the final output right here as an image itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.